Hi, we're going to talk about how to create an exit ticket for your class so that you can get real-time feedback from students at the end of class or whenever during the live class session you decide to use an exit ticket. So it's super simple. You need to go into your Google account for Westcliff and open up a blank form. And what you're going to do is we're just going to call it exit ticket. And an exit ticket is really just a way to gauge student feedback on what you did in class at the end of class in a very quick way. So typically for the exit ticket, you want to make these short answers so that they can give you more than just, clicking a multiple choice option for feedback. What you can do is you can make this anonymous, or you can set it up to capture the student email if you want to use this as part of their participation credit for that live class session, but that's up to you. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to add some short answer questions. So for this one, we're going to just real quick call it what worked the best in class for you today. Why? And if you click the required button, then that means that they have to answer it before they can move on. And we're going to go ahead and duplicate there we go, duplicate this question. All right. What could use improvement from today's class? It's required. We just have 2 questions. It can be as short as this. And what we're going to do is we are going to click send. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the link and go ahead and shorten it. Click copy. Then you're going to go to your Gap course shell. Make sure you're logged into Gap. We're just going to use a template for this exercise. Go to the search area. Just going to put in MIS 500 master course template. And I'll be deleting this as soon as I stop recording this video. Go in there, and you want to make sure that you click turn on editing so that you can go ahead and add a link. So let's say we're going to do it for week 1. And we're going to say add an activity or resource. And this would be a URL. So we're going to go to add a new URL. And we're going to say week 1 class exit ticket. And we're going to enter the URL. Just go ahead and paste it in and save and display. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to see what it's going to look like for the user. Okay. So they're going to have to be logged into their Westcliff Gmail account to be able to do this. And then they would just enter the answers and click submit. So let's go ahead and see what that's going to look like. What worked the best in class for you today? The group activity was engaging and helped me to solidify my understanding of the course concepts covered in week 1. All right, what could use improvement? The icebreaker used at the beginning of class could be made to be more specific to a student's future employment interests. Click submit, and then we're going to go here and we can go to responses, and you'll see that it has the information. It's anonymous at this point. You can set it up to not be. All you would need to do is just take a look at how to add an email to a Google form. But for the purposes of this, oftentimes it can be good to keep it anonymous because it allows students to be more honest. And if it's not part of their participation points, that's okay. I've done it both ways. So that is how you create a quick Google form as an exit ticket, and how you put it in Gap, and how you see the responses. So thank you so much.